ethic that he's putting in already, I say he have a good chance to play his first. Oh yeah. You should have saw him today in pass rush coming off the edge. He's a natural pass rusher, and that's something we definitely need off the edge.
No, it's the first day of practice, man, but not really, right? Because it's such a year-round thing.
Yeah.
Everybody knows what to do and how to practice it.
Right.
Right.
Yeah, it's just a matter of being out here with the coaches. We did championship workouts all summer by ourselves, and it was nothing really different besides we got a bunch of whistles going around from the coaches, but everybody knows what to do.
That's the only real difference, is the coaches out
Yeah,
there.
pretty much. Yeah, pretty much.
Who's kind of stepped up in place of the two linebackers that you guys have placed as the leaders up there?
I think Jonathan Smith had a great spring. He definitely showed that he can play. And Dre he's already took snaps last season, so he's really filled in. And Kaysen, he's been doing a lot of stuff to be better. Every time I see him, he has his playbook with him. So I'm proud of them guys for stepping up and wanting to be better and step up for those seniors.
Is it tougher to replace their production or their leadership up there?
I think it's tougher to replace their leadership because those four guys, they've been playing ever since they got here. And so they have a lot of experience, they have a lot of wit and everything, the football IQ that all of us want to have. So it's definitely harder to replace the leadership, not really the production.
I'm sure you know that the rap of this team is stopping the run.
Mm-hmm.
Is there a point that you just tune that talk out?
No.
Or do you use it as motivation?
until we're top 5 in the nation, then I'll maybe tune it out. But I think we finished like 35 or 40 or something like that. So until we actually get the production, we can talk about stopping the run all we want. But until we do it, it doesn't really matter.
Is it a source of motivation? You look back at the Baylor game and say, that just can't ever happen again? I mean,
yeah,
how
absolutely.
do you utilize that to your advantage?
It's tough because I can't really say anything because I didn't play, and I'm not saying that it would have been a huge difference, but we still have a bad taste in our mouths from that, and that can never ever happen to this university ever again. And we're doing that stuff now to make sure that never happens.
How exciting is it to know that you all are going to add some new wrinkles to the defense? And last year you were playing pretty vanilla, and this year you're going to make it a little more complicated.
It's exciting because all of us we catch on stuff pretty quick. So ever since they really gave us to it in the installs, we kind of caught on. So it's kind of the same thing over and over and over. We're teaching the younger guys like we're the coaches. So it's exciting to put some new wrinkles into it and some different twists or whatever the case might be. So